Hi, this is a quick review on how to view, organize, and manage your caseload. Once you're on EdPlan, you go to your students, select your school, select Special Ed, IEP. You can go straight to view my caseload, and then it will give you your entire caseload. Scroll down at the bottom and you can export search results, and it will throw a new document on Excel. In this document, you can manipulate and delete the columns that you don't need. You can leave the ones that they are helpful for you and your organizational purposes. You can then Command C, copy, and then with Command V, you can paste on a Google Sheet. And here I had already pasted, manipulated, and changed the format. And the columns that I left were grade, name, disability, and setting. I also added the services that my students receive. So I put reading, writing, math, all the services that they receive. I also included the amount of minutes that every student has in their IEP currently. And I put a line over as soon as I was putting those minutes within my schedule. I will show you that in the next video.